Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL 1SE Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access System section. Then click on Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, and Gboard. Now you need to select Theme section, scroll down and tap on Show More at the bottom right corners. This way you will see all available themes. When you find the best one for you, click on it. Tap on this switcher next to keyboards to manage them. And save your keyboard by hitting Apply. So when I do that and go back, I can see that theme of mine has changed. If you want to customize it instead, go into the same settings and click on this plus icon under My Themes. Finally, tap on the photo that you wish to apply. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage keyboards and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!